Zaina, come here. Come here, Zaina. Huh? That's my personal assistant. I bought it because I was gonna hire like a somebody to follow me with a camera.
For what?
Cause I live my life. I do interesting things. So look, it come in the front, this side.
You get this from Amazon?
It's fire, huh? So no, I bought this because
You want to be a vlogger? Let me know where to subscribe.
I forgot, you look nice. I like the little. What is this considered?
Like a baby doll dress?
That's what it's called. That's the name of it, baby doll dress. Okay, shit. All right, look good.
Is it not like a baby doll?
You look more than a baby doll. You like a grown woman to me.
Anyway,
What you about to get into?
I was about to go in there and see what the
Oh,
trivia
oh, the
thing was.
trivia thing. I'm gonna head
What
in
were
the
you doing?
pool. I'm gonna head to the pool, just play with it, and it's cool shit, you know.
So when are we gonna see a video?
I bought this just to record my life. I may not even post this part just for my family. Like I do random shit. I just send to my family, or I may post it, but I'm
You know,
not.
you can post it, you can publish it, and then like only people who have the link can watch it.
That's true.
You don't have to publish it like worldwide.
You want to join me in selfie mode? Selfie mode real quick. It's gonna take 3 pictures of us.
Not really.
You want to take a picture of me?
That cute today.
You want to take a picture of me? Come on, man. Don't be scared, girl. I'm about to take a picture. Hold on.
Not sign up.
Sonya, what's up, girl? What you doing? Yeah, yeah. It just followed me around.
I see.
I bought it because I'm going to my a family reunion, and yeah,
Uh-huh.
I don't want to be like on the phone all the time or recording. You know what I'm saying? So this just follow me. It's recording right now. Yeah, that's a little man. What's up, little man? My man. I see you, boy. I'm just taking a little scroll and just play with it a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, yeah, yeah. I
Yeah,
yeah, yeah. You just hanging out?
yeah.
Okay. How long you gonna be out?
Not that too much long. We've been over here a little while. They want to come, so
Are you with your folks?
yeah. That's my oldest with the pal around here. The
Okay.
yellow pal, and then them his friends. So I guess
Okay.
they want to come swim a little bit. So
Okay.
they
Yeah,
called out too. So we talking about food now.
Oh, you gotta go feed them, huh?
No, they gonna feed themselves.
Hey, look, watch it. Watch this, right? You see this right here, right? I can move it like this. Come back over there. Oh, right here. Look, I can make it go up, down, right here. Now I can make it up. I can make it go forward and back. Watch this. Ain't that fucking cool? And look, now it's gonna come back. I put my hands together like this, and it comes back. Yeah, it's recording right now. Yeah, 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 yeah. So I'm gonna get some shots from my family real quick. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna see you around. All right. All right. All right. So it's the pool area right here. Probably gonna edit this video. And there's the pool over here. Y'all probably already familiar with this. And today is what, Thursday, Wednesday? So it's a little slow day today. Yeah. We're going to different areas. What up? What up? Good. How you doing? Good, good, good. Yeah, just playing my little tour real quick. You know what I'm saying? Just gonna follow me around. It's recording too, so they got free food. I got some free food over here. Oh, it's not free. Okay. That's like I'm not a pizza guy. No wings. That's all good, man. I appreciate it though. What's up, champ? Ain't nothing much, man. You say you do what? Yeah, just as always, I just follow. It's recording. Little something to have, you know what I'm saying? You say what? Oh yeah, yeah. It's a. I just got it. What today? That's a DJI. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So I'm just playing with it right now. I got the mic. You see how it works out, you know? Yeah, man. I'm catch you around, big dog. All right. You said what? No, just on one side. It just faces me all the time. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, I'm just trying to test it out, see how it operates, man. All right, big dog. Yeah. Hmm. Let's go this way. Ooh. All right, we rolling. I forgot I was recording, man. Might be a long ass video. I'm going to break it down. All right. So, man, what a... All right, so at the pool again. What I want to do with this? It's pretty fly. I ain't gonna lie. Let's go front. Ooh, that's fine. Yeah. Yeah, that's a better view. Mm-hmm. Nah, that's fucking cool. Yeah. How y'all doing? Good, good. Try to get this on my watch. There we go. That's fire, huh? Look, it's just gonna stay right there. That's fire. And you can watch on your watch too. That's fire.
Carlos, you just be buying shit, bro. You and me, bro. I
You was
swear.
me. Whoa, 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 whoa.
No,
Let's
you
get it
are me.
twisted. No, 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 no.
No, you are me.
No, 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 no,
You
no,
don't
no.
know Womack a couple years ago.
You a
No, no,
woman.
no. You said what?
You a woman.
I'm a what?
You a woman.
Watch your goddamn mouth.
That's a
I'm
blessing,
a
bro. You want to
woman.
be like me.
Oh,
That's
man.
like calling somebody a bitch.
That's like calling me light skin or something.
Part of me is literally talking.
That's calling you light skin, man.
You talking me in there with my church clothes on?
Yeah, that's
Ain't
all.
no coming back.
Look, I'm gonna skip. I'm gonna skip your ass right on the top of that ocean.
Him gonna have an eviction notice on y'all door Monday.
I'm already moving out. I don't care.
Yeah, right.
I'm my mama moving out soon as lease up. I'm out.
We're gonna
You
find.
going? You going straight to Foothill?
We're gonna find one that can tell home.
You going to
I
Foothill?
texted him and asked him for me a time.
You're gonna ask everybody about
No, I didn't. I asked you. I said one thing to you the other day.
But you know, Sean don't qualify for that apartment by himself. They got to be a mutual break.
The fuck?
He just said when the lease is up, though.
Lease up.
If he don't qualify by himself.
All right, folks, that's the end of the video. Hopefully you guys liked it. I'm not going to ask you guys to subscribe or like because I really don't care. For the ones that got value, good for you. The ones that didn't, doesn't matter. All right, next time,